whole night we witness Amphan and all those howling storms that strike our old house very badly. Very soon our house became a pond, and me and my entire family just sat on a corner of room and we were just waiting when it will stop. In the morning when I look around, I saw mass destruction everywhere, uprooted trees everywhere. They are blocking the roads, the waterlogged street. The city looked like just a abandoned city. Everywhere I noticed just mess and mess. We are not having the dinner in the last night because our kitchen is full of water. People are really forgetting about those social distancing norms. I saw lots of people trying to move blockages using their bare hand, but this is very much risky, I think so. I don't know when the current when the electricity resuming again, or those where the citizens getting the normal services again. I don't know. This is really a tough situation for us. Firstly, this is a lockdown. Secondly, this is corona outbreak, and lastly, the Amphan. The total condition is really miss for us.